Hi, today we are going to be going Play-Doh shopping. Welcome to Family Fun Toys. Hi, welcome to Family
What's your
Fun
name?
Toys.
Family Fun what?
Toys.
Hi, Lena.
We're going Play-Doh shopping at Toys R Us.
Toys R Us.
Toys R Us is fun for us.
What?
Toys R Us is fun for us.
It is,
This way. Play-Doh. I can't think where we're going because there's so many good toys, right, Daddy?
You know it.
Split. We can let's go somewhere. No. We're staying together as a.
Oh, I see Play-Doh. Over here, last mile. Let's see it. Here. Right here. Right here. Look here.
Hi, Mom. Say hi. Wow.
Look at this. Jordan.
What is that?
Look at that. I want to say it's cupcakes. I want cupcakes. Yes, let's get it.
Hold it up.
Ice cream show.
Hold it up. Show me.
Can I have two? This is one that I want that we might get. Can we have two? It's like
Let's see it. Show it. What is it, though?
See, this is
It's
cake.
Play-Doh. Can I have two of them? Push pop ice cream.
What do you got there?
What's that one?
Tell me about it.
This is ice cream. We make ice cream.
Cake party.
Should we have a cake party too?
Yeah. So we're gonna
Do you guys got the one that you want?
get this one. This one. I want this one.
Cake party for Elena.
I'll get. Oh my goodness! Look at
Waffle
this.
snacks. Hey, that's a good pick. It's a big food fun family night. Hey.
Let's go play.
Let's go play. Let's go.
Are you happy?
Yeah. We got our stuff.
Say thank you, Toys R Us.
Thank you, Toys R Us. We
Wave
got our-
bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ready to play when we get home. See you
Woohoo!
later. Justin. When we go to house, it's gonna be fun, and we played this toy for not a week.
All right. We'll see you later.
Bye. Hello, I'm Lily. Hello, I'm Elena, and welcome to the Family Fun Toys. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do this Play-Doh thing. It's called Cafe. Wait. It's called Breakfast Cafe, and we're going to show you how to play it. First, let's open it and see what's inside. It says there's 4 pieces of Play-Doh inside the box, but we have some extras right here, in case, just for in case. I'm just taking one big toy. Yeah. There. There. Okay. Where's the plate? Okay, I don't think we do this. Where's this not fun? Okay, first what we do is put this box down. Hey! Let's start opening it. I'll put I need this. It even comes with the little spatulas and little plates and things. waffles and look, see little mini waffles, and you can make pancakes. Yeah, that. There. Yeah. No, just put it right down here. See? Let's start putting it together. Okay, first things first. It is 3 and older. First thing we have to do make pick a color, any color. I want one this color. No, one of these. I will have this. Okay. And this one is going to... Where's the plate? Wait. Another little plate, come on. You have to connect the pieces. It's right here.
You guys need help putting it together?
Yeah. Yes.
All right, let's do this.
How come there's a little plate and it's not all gonna fit? This thingy goes here. Yes. I can't pop it in. Yes, please. She won't let me get a turn to top. Okay.
Hello, I'm Mommy.
It's gonna start in a minute to fix this. You gotta get our things together to do some stuff. You can just wait for a little minute if you like to. So that's Joy and watch. And have this wonderful day. It's like spraying in there. It's like mind blow that thing with and I hope you have a good day and she does stuff and we can see you. Okay.
Some assembly included.
Let's do baking first, okay? No baking. No baking. Okay, what color baking? Pick any color. I would like this color. Okay.
Blue bacon, yum.
Or actually, let's do red bacon. Pinky. Pinky red bacon. I never tried her up. Next time I'm gonna try blue bacon. Wait, can I feel it? Can I feel it?
Hey, Elena, open white and you can maybe make some egg.
Open this big way.
Make a circle and flatten it and make it into an egg.
And then I need yellow.
You are right.
Why didn't you get this tiny one? Get this tiny white one instead of that big this one. And you put some of this little by little bit. Stuff it all in, and then we are getting bacon. Yummy! Here's our bacon strips. Where's the knife? There it is. Can you open this, please? Can you open this, please, Mama? Mama, can you open this, please?
Sure.
And there, Mama. Here's our bacon.
Ooh, yum.
Now we need to make a circle. I am going to make a waffle in the waffle maker. And my sister is going to make some strawberries with the molder. So I am going to put the yellow ball right here and then I'm going to push it down, not very hard. And push it down. And then push it back up. Then, oh no, it got stuck. I'll get it off. It's okay. And I am going to try to unstuck it. See? That is my miniature waffle And now next I'm going to be doing the ice cream. I'm gonna put red in, and if it fits, I need another color in. And then now I'm going to get a yellow if it fits and put it in. And then now I'm going to get this green thing and put it down, smush it down in with the other colors. And look how beautiful that is. I still gotta get some more yellow to get that yellow because it didn't really work out. So now I'm going to get some yellow. And I'm going to stick it in, and I'm going to smush it down. Look how pretty that looks. And I'm going to take it out, then take this off. And this we are going to save to put on the ice cream that we're making right now. Leave that there, and then get any cup. Play-Doh cup, anything. Get the color you want. I want red, so I'm gonna stick it in. And then I might want another color. And I'm going to get that color, which is gonna be a little yellow. And I'm going to stick it in. And then I might want some white. I'm going to get it. And then I'm going to, not that much, and I am going to stick it in. See? And then now I'm going to get this, and I'm going to swirl it on the top. Look how beautiful that looks. This is going to be later. First, we're going to start eating our food. Right, Sissy? Yep. Do you want a waffle? No, they got like a little plate. Then I'm going to scrape some of this bread off. I need it. Thank you. Let me just... Yep. And you want more tabs? Getting frustrated. And then I'm going to make our food. Do you want a waffle, sister? Yep. Do you want a red plate or a blue plate? Red. Okay. Here's your waffle. Then here's a mini bacon. And here is 2 strips of a big bacon. And then we are going to make our ice cream after and have a nice breakfast in the cafe. Because it's called Breakfast Cafe. Here's your food. Wait. Do you want a banana? A banana? Yes. No thanks. Thank you for watching.